Myself, Sangeetha Nagur, have done my graduation in the stream of civil, and my year of pass out is 2018. I'm from Basaveshwara Engineering College, Bagalkot. I have opted for Moon Stack and I have got placed with a package of 4.5 LPA. And about Jspiders, I would like to say that Jspiders is the best platform to learn new technology from the scratch, and one must utilize and acquire the knowledge whatever the mentors have, and so that it might help us in future wherever we work on new technologies. And coming about faculties and HR, I would like to thank Syed Imran sir for making me to hold grip in all the subjects, especially JavaScript and frontend, and also thankful to Keshav sir for giving me opportunity to join, like guiding me to opt for Monstack course. And thank you everyone.